Let's talk about expanding foam. What is it and how can you make the best of your sculptures with it? Now, a couple things. Let's go ahead and talk about this. This is great stuff. This is what I use for the more cost-effective portions of sculptures. Now, here's the deal. This is more of a filler. You're not going to get super high quality detail out of this specific material. It's not hard enough, especially when you cut into it, which is great to talk about because let's talk about cutting into this material. What do you cut into the material with? I like to use blades. Any blade will work, but most importantly, retractable blades. Blades of any and every size will work just fine. You can go to your local hardware store, wherever you are. I will leave links in the description as to what I personally use, so in case you guys want to venture down that road. But here's how you work with this material. Number one, blades. Blades are great for cutting, right? So once you make a cut, you can tell that on the inside, it's very spongy. It's very spongy. You cannot get a hard, crisp detail out of something like this. So this is more for, you know, getting your rough shapes out of whatever you are sculpting. Like you can tell this is part of Gear 5 Luffy. So you're looking at the bottom part of his abdomen. These are his pants. It's great for large sweeps. So after you're done with blades, to give yourself shape, the next thing that I recommend is sandpaper, or power tools, such as, but not limited to, multi-tools with a sanding bit added to it. Belt grinders are something that I use a lot, or yeah, like you'll see the picture, but belt grinders are something that I use. Angle grinders are something that I use. Also, different tips on angle grinders, such as sculpting angle grinder tips. And again, I'll leave the links in the descriptions to all this stuff that you can use to really get large sweeps. Like for example, if you look at the abs, on Luffy, I've gotten all these very crisp, sharp edges, not just with a knife, but also with angle grinders. And then you can see wherever I went in and I got too deep, I went in again with expanding foam and then just went ahead and filled in the shape once again. So once you have a nice understanding of how it works very well. So just remember, expanding foam is for larger shapes for your sculptures. The tools you would like, or I recommend you use, are things like blades. Then you use sandpaper or power tools with sandpaper attached to them, such as orbital sanders or, you know, belt sanders. Those work great. Angle grinders you have to be careful because angle grinders can be used for large, huge projects if you're taking huge chunks, and they could be very detrimental if not used for a light touch. That's just been my experience. But yeah, that's pretty much how you use and how you take advantage of expanding foam for your larger sculptures to mid-sized sculptures. I'm actually working on a smaller sculpture. I'm not at detail or at liberty to show it at the moment. But if you guys do want to see more content on smaller sculptures with expanding foam, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. If I get like 100 comments, then I'll do it. But otherwise, take care. Happy sculpting. Peace out, you guys.